Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My good name is Vivian and this is Beauty and Lifestyle by Vivian. Yeah, so welcome to this channel. In case you're new here, kindly consider subscribing. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And so today, as you can see, we are in the kitchen. We're about to prepare something. So today we're going to prepare meat and spaghetti. And so before you continue, kindly like this video, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So let's get straight into the video. So I have my goat ribs here. Yeah, so this is the meat that I'm going to use. I have my spaghetti here, and I have these ingredients that I'll be using. I have ginger, I have garlic, I have onions, and I have tomatoes. There is green pepper, and I have these spices: turmeric, ginger, garlic powder, black pepper, and paprika. This chili beef. My sister introduced me to this chili beef, and let me tell you, Mina, I've been loving it ever since. We also have soy sauce. Soy sauce does wonders. Make sure you have soy sauce in your kitchen. Coke. Yeah, Coke baridi. Yeah. Oil. And sufurias, definitely. Yeah, and water. And we definitely have salt. Yeah, of course. Salt for the taste. First have to wash the meat before we boil it. Yeah, so make sure you wash your meat first. So we're boiling the meat, and when boiling the meat, we add salt and ginger. I like my meat tender, so I'm going to boil it till I feel bas. Hiyo imetosha. So we're going to funika it until it cooks well. Hiyo maji ishe. So we're done chopping our ingredients: these onions, green pepper, ginger and garlic, and tomatoes. And by the way, you can also blend your ingredients if you want to, especially for the spaghetti. You can choose to blend the ingredients instead of chopping them. Yeah, venye tu nataka. So the water is over. It's now time to fry the meat. Yeah, ni wakati wa kukaanga. We're going to fry the meat till it turns brown. Yeah, for it to give that nyama choma vibes. Yeah. In frying meat, I normally use the same sufuria that I use to boil the meat. So that's why you see the sufuria ni kama imeungua on the sides like this. Yeah. I don't like using too much oil. I don't think it's healthy, but you can do whatever you want. If you like too much oil, you can use. If you don't like too much oil, you can put just a little amount like I did. You can see it has started turning. I want it to look like this one here, or this one, yeah. So it will give that nyama choma vibes. You get it? So I'll wait for all of them to turn brown before putting my onion. This is the progress. So I think it's ready. We can now put our onions. You see how it looks? It already looks yummy. And the smell, the aroma, let me tell you, you're not ready. So I'll let the onions cook for a while before putting the garlic and ginger. So the onion is ready. We're now going to put garlic and ginger. Garlic and ginger cooks fast, so burning is so easy. As you can see, the ones that we boiled with the meat, is the one that is burning down here. The aroma, well, I don't know how I can explain this on camera, but the aroma, well. So you let the garlic and ginger cook for a while and the onions to cook more before you put hoho and tomatoes at the same time, because I don't like my hoho, I mean the green pepper, to overcook. Onion, garlic and ginger are ready. So you're now going to put the tomatoes. So we only stir once or twice, not more than 10 times, and then we put our hoho. I don't want them to overcook, so we're putting our hoho. We'll then cover our food to cook for some minutes, and then it will be ready, it will be done. See how it looks yummy. And by the way, I love my meat with only natural ingredients, so I'm not going to put any processed spices. I'm only using these natural ingredients. The other spices that I showed you will be used while cooking the spaghetti. So the tomatoes are already tender. When I mix like this, they will zitabondeka. Yeah, I don't know the word for that in English. So our meat is ready. It's now time to cook the spaghetti. You can see how sweet it looks. It already looks yummy, and I assure you it's so yummy. Try this recipe and tell me. It's so yummy. Just look how it looks. See how it looks. It's so yummy. So we're now cooking spaghetti. We're going to put the spaghetti in warm water and let it cook. I love breaking my spaghetti, so you can put them in the water zikiwa full. So we will let the spaghetti to cook, and then after it cooks, we'll drain the excess water for like 5 to 10 minutes. Done boiling the spaghetti, so now we're going to put in cold water and ziachane. Frying the spaghetti, we start with frying the onions, like the ingredients. So you can see our oil is ready. I'm going to put in the onions. We'll let the onions cook for a while before putting in ginger and garlic, because ginger and garlic cooks fast compared to onions. After the onions have cooked for a while, you're going in with ginger and garlic. The aroma that comes from this mixture, I tell you. So we let the ginger and garlic cook for like 30 seconds, and then we'll put hoho and tomatoes. So the onions are ready. We're now going to put our hoho and tomatoes. Then we will cover and let it cook till tender. As the onions cook and the green pepper, we are going to add our salt. Just a little bit for the taste, because you remember we also put in the spaghetti while boiling. A little salt to taste. And then you're going to add our spices also. We are adding turmeric, a little amount for each, ginger, a little amount. Remember, this is not food for many people, so the food is just little, so we put a little amount. We're then adding paprika, kidogo kidogo. The 2 bowls are enough. And then we have garlic powder, then we have black pepper, also have this chili beef. Chili beef, we're using half this, or just quarter. Yeah, quarter is good. The last thing I'm going to add is soy sauce. Then you are going to add water to let the spices cook. Make sure your spices cook well before you put in the spaghetti. We're adding water to also avoid the spices from burning. So after the spices cook, is now when we're going to put the spaghetti. Look at that, it already looks yummy. I'm sure it's so yummy, very so too much yummy. Yeah, that's the word that I can use. So we're now going to put our spaghetti. After we put the spaghetti, we make sure we mix it well with the spices. Make sure you mix it well. After mixing, you let it cook for like 3 minutes on low heat. This is after 3 minutes and the food is ready to serve. This is the outcome. We've come to the final thing. So as I told you, I love serving my food with a glass of Coke. It's there. Yeah, and so these are meat and spaghetti, and it's so yummy, guys. I can't wait to eat and finish the whole plate. Yeah, so if you like this video, kindly like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and turn on the notification bell. Repeat again in the next video. Bye.